Cutting and polishing stair handrail bevels may look simple, but it takes careful handling to get every angle smooth and precise. In this video, you'll see how each cut is measured before the bevel is shaped and polished to fit perfectly with the handrail's slope. The right angle and finish ensure the joints stay tight and the handrail feels comfortable and secure. Next, the clip shows how to make a sloped edge corner with just a few simple steps. Accurate marking and steady cutting are the keys to making a clean slope that looks professional. Small details like these can greatly improve the overall look and safety of stairs and corners. Good craftsmanship comes from patience and practice. When every cut is clean and every edge is polished, even the most basic parts of a staircase or wall can stand out. These practical techniques help builders deliver a strong, neat finish that lasts for years. With the right tools and skills, you can handle angles and slopes with confidence and create beautiful, durable results.